Canal boat tour of Copenhagen.
Welcome aboard Canal Tours for a tour around Copenhagen's inner harbour. Our captain's name is Bo and my name is Emma. We'll be sailing under a lot of low bridges today, so please remain seated, mind your heads and keep your arms inside the boat. Also, smoking is not allowed on board. Er der nogen, som gerne vil have turen på dansk? Ja, velkommen ombord på Canal Tours til en tur rundt i Københavns inderhavn. Vores kaptajn hedder Bo, og mit navn er Anna. Vi kommer til at sejle under mange lave broer. We'll be sailing under the Nyhavns Bridge, which is the lowest bridge in the tour, so please stay seated and mind your heads. I et øjeblik sejler vi under Nyhavnsbroen, som er den laveste bro på turen, så vi vil blive siddende og passe på hovederne. Fra poco passeremo sotto il ponte di Nyhavn, che il ponte più basso del tour, quindi io preghiamo di rimanere seduti e fare attenzione alla testa. Stiamo navigando per il canale di Nyhavn, che è una delle attrazioni turistiche più popolari di Copenhagen. Il canale risale a 350 anni fa e fu salvato nel 600 come collegamento tra il mare e la nuova piazza del Re, oggi conosciuta come Kongens Nytorv. On the left hand side you can see the Royal Danish Playhouse, which opened in 2008. På venstre side kan vi se det kongelige skuespilhus, som blev åbnet i 2008 med en produktion af Shakespeares Hamlet. Opera House in Copenhagen, which opened in 2005. The building was designed by the Danish architect Henning Larsen and it has 14 stories, 5 of which are built round. There are 2 auditoriums in the building. The main one has 700 seats. The main auditorium's outer shell is clad with maple wood, shaped like a large heart and knotted like string instruments. This symbolizes the love for music. With its height of 85 meters, Amagerbakke is also the largest mountain in Copenhagen. So of course we'll have an artificial ski slope built on top, so we'll finally get to ski here in Copenhagen as well. De hvide skulptur herinde på højre side blev lavet i 1996 af København og Kultur, som symboliserer livet. Little Mermaid has been vandalized many times. For example, she's been decapitated twice. Once she's lost her arm, and on several occasions people have poured paint over her. But every time, of course, she's been rescued and cleaned up so that she could once again be ready to welcome travelers to Copenhagen. Inden på højre side kan vi se Københavns nye fotograferede kvinde, den lille havfrue. Hun har siddet her på sin scene siden 1913, hvor hun blev givet som en gave fra Carlsberg-familierne. Adesso vedete la donna più fotografata di Copenhagen, la Sirenetta. Siete qua sulla sua roccia dal 1900. Entering Christianshavn's Canal. Christianshavn is famous for its many houseboats, for Christiania, and for the Church of Our Saviour, which we'll see shortly. King Christian IV began the construction of Christianshavn in 1617, clearly inspired by the canals and the architecture of Amsterdam. He was hoping to attract rich Dutch immigrants, but instead Christianshavn ended up becoming a place for merchants and craftsmen. Right now the tower is closed for the winter until the 23rd of this month. Længere frem på venstre side kan vi se spiret på Frelser Kirke. Kirken her blev bygget i slutningen af 1600-tallet, og det karakteristiske snoede tårn med nødvendige trappe kan ses fra store dele af byen. Hvis man går sinistra si chiama Søkvasthuset e fu costruito nella metà del Settecento, originalmente renditore a sinistra, quindi preparate le macchinette fotografiche perché sarà breve. Now see the church on the left hand side. Potete vedere la chiesa a sinistra. Che non si chiama por venstre. most famous Danish sculptor, and among other things, he lived for 40 years in Rome. When he came back to Denmark, he decided to donate his entire art collection to the city of Copenhagen, and so they built him this museum. The museum was finished in 1848, 4 years after.
Consists of 4 intertwined dragon tails, and the 3 crowns on top symbolize the Canal union between Denmark, Norway and Sweden. Back when the stock exchange was first built, it was a covered market where people traded with commodities from all over the world. And today there are offices inside the building. Building on the left-hand side is the Danish National Bank. It was designed by the Danish architect Anne Jacobsen and is considered one of his greatest masterpieces, even though it was only finished 7 years after his death in 1970. Hovedværker, selvom den første var færdig 7 år efter hans død i 1978. Bridge, gas på broen. Later on, it's been used as a ferry terminal for the ferries between Denmark and Sweden until the year 2002, when the ferry traffic was stopped because of the new Øresund Bridge. Today, this building houses 2 restaurants. The Inner Harbour Bridge. It was finished in 2016, but during the construction, there were a Vi sejler nu igen i Nyhavns Canal, og det her er H.C. Andersen boede 20 år i sit liv. Han boede i den hvide bygning herovre på højre side, nummer 67, og senere hen mod slutningen af sit liv boede han i den røde bygning og den orange bygning længere nede på venstre side, nummer 20 og nummer 18. In just a moment, we'll be sailing under the Nyhavns Bridge once again. This is the lowest bridge in the town, so please stay seated and mind your heads. Så kan du se den røde bygning og den orange most famous fairy tales. Vi er nu næsten tilbage. Jeg har ikke noget der. Pas på trænet mellem, hvor man kan når vi går ind på. Sidst men ikke mindst, vi ønsker en rigtig god dag her i København. If you look to the left here, you can see the narrowest building in Copenhagen between these 2 buildings. There are 2 white buildings her på venstre side mellem de 2 hvide bygninger, kan I se Københavns smalleste bygning.